everyone. In this session, I would like to teach very important problems in the chapter compound angles. Let's see the formulae. Formula number 1. Sine of a plus b into sine of a minus b is equal to sine square a minus sine square b and equal to cos square b minus cos square a. The second one is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b equal to cos square a minus sine square b and equal to cos square b minus sine square a. Let's see the first problem. Evaluate sine square 82.5 minus sine square 22.5 and second bit cos square 112.5 degree minus sine square 52.5 degree. First one is sine square 82.5 degree minus sine square 22.5 degree. Here it is in the form sine square a minus sine square b. According to this formula, we know that sine a plus b into sine a minus b equal to sine square a minus sine square b. The given problem is in the form of sine square a minus sine square b. Then we have sine a plus b into sine a minus b. That equal to sine. Here a is 82.5 degree plus b is 22.5 degree into sine 82.5 degree minus 22.5 degree. Then we get sine 82.5 plus 22.5 105 degree into sine 82.5 minus 22.5 is 60 degree. That is sine 105 degree can be written as 90 plus 15 degree into sine 60 degree. Here sine 90 plus 15. Sine 90 plus 15 is cos 15 degrees into sine 60 degree. We know that the value of cos 15 degrees is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into sine 60 is root 3 by 2. By multiplying these two, we get 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2. 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2. Next, move on to the second bit. Cos square 112.5 degree minus sine square 52.5 degree. According to the formula, it is in the form cos square b minus sine square a or cos square a minus sine square b. We take cos a plus b into cos a minus b is cos square a minus sine square b. Here cos square a minus sine square b is equal to, let's move on to the second bit. Cos square 112.5 degree minus sine square 52.5 degree. It is in the form of cos square a minus sine square b. According to the formula, we know that cos square a minus sine square b is cos a plus b into cos a minus b. That is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. That equal to cos. Here a is 112.5 degree plus b is 52.5 degree. into cos of 112.5 degree minus 52.5 degree. That equal to cos 112.5 plus 52.5 is 165 degree into cos 60 degree. Cos 165 is 180 minus 15 into cos 60 degree. That equal to cos 180 minus 15 is minus cos 15 degree into cos 60 degree. We know that cos 15 degrees is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. By multiplying these two we get root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. Let's see the next problem. Evaluate sigma sin a plus b into sin a minus b by cos square a into cos square b if none of cos a, cos b, cos c is 0. Consider sigma sin a plus b into sin a minus b by cos square a into cos square b. Cos square a into cos square b. According to the problem, sin a plus b into sin a minus b, we can take cos square b minus cos square a. That equal to sigma sin a plus b into sin a minus b is cos square b minus cos square a whole divided by cos square a into cos square b. Divide cos square b minus cos square a with cos square a, cos square b, we get cos square b by cos square a into cos square b minus cos square a by cos square a into cos square b. Here cos square b get cancelled. Here cos square a get cancelled. That is sigma 1 by cos square a is secant square a minus 1 by cos square b is secant square b. To follow the cyclic order, we can expand sigma along like this: secant square a minus secant square b plus secant square b minus secant square c plus secant square c minus secant square a. Secant square b cancel, secant square c cancel, secant square a cancel. We get the answer is 0. Let's see the problem. Prove that sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta into cos alpha plus beta is independent of alpha. Consider sin square alpha plus cos square alpha plus beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta into cos alpha plus beta. Take cos alpha plus beta common from these two terms, then sin square alpha plus cos of alpha plus beta into cos of alpha plus beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. That equal to sin square alpha plus cos of alpha plus beta into cos alpha plus beta is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta, cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta plus 2 sin alpha sin beta. Adding these two terms, we get sin square alpha plus cos of alpha plus beta into cos alpha cos beta plus. Adding these two terms, we get sin alpha sin beta. Then sin square alpha plus cos of alpha plus beta. Here cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Here cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta is cos of alpha minus beta. According to this problem, here it is in the form cos A plus B into cos A minus B. Cos A plus B into cos A minus B is cos square A minus sin square B and cos square B minus sin square A. According to this problem, we apply second form cos square B minus sin square A. Sin square alpha plus cos square beta minus sin square alpha. Sin square alpha get cancelled. We get cos square beta, which is a term independent of alpha. Let's see the next problem. Find the expansion of sin A plus B minus C. Consider sin A plus B minus C. In this problem, we consider A plus B as A, C as B. Now it is in the form sin A minus B. We know that sin A minus B is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Here sin A is A plus B, cos B is C minus sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, cos of A plus B into sin C. Then sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B into sin C into cos C minus of cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B into sin C. Multiply cos C, then we get sin A cos B cos C plus cos A sin B cos C minus multiply sin C, we get cos A cos B sin C plus sin A sin B sin C. Here the expansion of sin A plus B minus C is sin A cos B cos C plus cos A sin B cos C minus cos A cos B sin C plus sin A sin B sin C. Next, move on to the next problem. Prove that tan 72 equal to tan 18 plus 2 tan 54 degree. According to this problem, we have to consider 72 degree minus 18 degree is equal to 54 degree. Here apply tan on both sides. Tan 72 degree minus 18 degree is equal to tan 54 degree. Here it is in the form tan A minus B. Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A tan B. Then tan 72 minus tan 18 degree by 1 plus tan 72 degree into tan 18 degree, that equal to tan 54 degree. Tan 72 minus tan 18 degree by 1 plus, here tan 72 is 90 degrees minus 18 degrees into tan 18 degree, that equal to tan 54 degree. So tan 72 minus tan 18 by 1 plus, Here tan 90 minus 18 is cot 18 into tan 18. That is equal to tan 54. Here tan 18 into cot 18 is 1. So tan 72 degree minus tan 18 degree by 1 plus 1. That equal to tan 54 degree. Here the denominator is 2. Cross multiply, we get tan 72 degree minus tan 18 degree is equal to 2 tan 54 degree. Then tan 72 degree is equal to tan 18 degree plus 2 tan 54 degree. And so we get the result.